Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you're all doing great. Today I've got a quick update for you on how you can grab a $100 Temu coupon code. Right now, this method works only on one website, so make sure you follow the steps exactly. First step, open your browser and go to thecoupon.club. Once you're there, just search for Temu in the search bar and click on it. Now scroll down until you see the $100 coupon option. You'll notice it's locked at first, so go ahead and hit the Unlock Now button. To unlock it, you'll need to complete a short verification. That means doing a couple of quick tasks or offers. In my case, it's showing me 2 offers to complete. Don't stress if your offers look different, it mine ER. Depends on your device and where you're located. If you're on mobile, it's usually easier since you just download an app or follow the instructions given. So go ahead, pick any 2 offers, finish them up. I'll fast forward here so the video doesn't drag on. After you finish, give it about 2 minutes and refresh the page. The coupon code should unlock automatically. If it doesn't unlock for you, it usually means one of the tasks wasn't completed properly. Just try another offer and it should work fine. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that like button, share this with your friends, and subscribe for more updates. Catch you in the next video.